Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be opening my June 2019 Una Spirit bag. This is going to be my that's my rooster. This is going to be my second bag from them. It comes in a mailer like this. My information's on the other side. Let's see what's inside. Alright. So, oh, it's got a little moon on it. Isn't that lovely? Black's my favorite color. I love turquoise. It's got a pretty, it's beautiful, pretty fringe. Okay, let's see what's inside of it. I'm not sure what it is, but I'll find out shortly. And then we've got this purple bag with an item inside of it as well. Oh, looks like a goddess. So pretty. And then this item it doesn't smell like it, but it looks like a rose. Pretty. Alright, let's see what it says. So this is the lovely little artwork. I love it. Una, this month's theme is Rise of the Sacred Feminine. We are in a powerful chapter of human consciousness. There has been an imbalance for far too long. The sacred feminine is in us all, men too. Its power, though, is often quieted. The sacred feminine has a transformative gift of compassion. This gift, brought to life in all walks, could drastically change over our world. We have been led so far from the truth that oftentimes we believe we need war, that humans naturally hurt one another. This has been the way of this world for some time. Times are changing, though. We are raising our standards, becoming more and more aware of our birthrights: love, peace, joy, connection. But the sacred feminine is a threat to those who wish to hold an unhealthy power. This month's bundle is intended to remind you of your power, your gift to the world. The sacred feminine is within you. This month we are really bringing in the presence of the moon. She had been with us through this all. The moon possesses medicinal properties, a helper in this material world. Your medicine bag this month embodies the softness and strength the feminine moon energy has to offer. Both are needed in the times ahead. Moonstone is the epitome of the mama crystal. She soothes pain where needed and speaks of new beginnings. Your Enchanted Amulet piece this month is a radiant goddess. Its energy speaks boldly and beautifully of the sacred feminine. I really love these. When I saw them, they seemed the perfect amulet to carry with you throughout your day. Next is our spiritual tool, a delicate pink rose floating candle. Let us unite our energies in this time. Fill a bowl with water. Gently place this rose on the still waters as an offering to the sacred feminine in us all. Light your candle. The light illuminates the parts of us still lost or confused about our own sacred feminine energy. Visualize the hearts in us all softening, healing. We are so often tricked into hardening our hearts. We think this protects us. That is simply another way we are disconnected from the sacred feminine. I chose your altar card this month for the story it shares with me. A beautiful, refreshed, replenished new world that feels light to the heart. We are all on our own journeys, but we are all also on a collective journey, the evolution of the human spirit. What will we create next together? We can bring about heaven on earth should we choose. Love and compassion, kindness and peace, the sacred feminine will lead us there. Alright. Pretty cool bag. I really, really, really love this bag. It's quite lovely. It feels really good. It's lovely, and she makes these by hand. These are always pretty cool. Honestly, I might use a floating rose in the bathtub, depending on how I feel about it. This one has a very soft scent, so it's not anathema to me. But I'm digging it. This is a really good value too. This whole bundle is 19 bucks. She makes everything by hand. There's a different theme every month. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. This is Una Spirit bags for June. Enjoy your day today. I will probably be doing something for the full moon. Tomorrow will be the giveaway winner will be announced. Winners, there's 4 boxes. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.